Welcome back, children. And today our topic is on a bird. I know you must have seen this bird. This bird you see in the trees, love to eat chilies, and these birds also know to talk like us. Yes, they can imitate us. And some of you keep this bird as your pet in house also. Can you identify what is the name of the bird? Okay, let me give you some more examples. The color of the bird is green. Beak is red, loves to eat chilies. So, yes, your guess is correct. The name of the bird is Parrot. It is a beautiful bird. Its feathers are green. It has a red beak. Its beak is curved. Round the neck of a parrot, there are black rings. Overall, it is a lovely looking bird. It eats grains, fruits, leaves, seeds, pears, nuts, mangoes, boiled rice, etc. Parrot is a talking bird. It can imitate the human voice. It is found in almost all the warm countries. It generally lives in the hollows of the trees. Some people keep it in a small cage, which is not at all good. Now, children, can you imagine that there is a cage and you are being kept inside a cage for 1 month? You are eating inside the cage, you are sleeping inside the cage. You can't go out, you can't see the world, you can't talk with your friends, you can't see your parents. You are alone in a cage. Yes, I know. You might be thinking, why I am going to stay in a cage? Absolutely correct. Children, birds, sometimes we keep them as pet but inside a cage, which is not at all good. Bird is a living being. They also have friends. They also have parents. They also, God has given them also the gift to see the nature, to stay in the nature, to enjoy the nature. So children, always remember, keeping a bird in the cage is not at all a good thing. The way you are feeling when I told you about you staying in a cage, the same way the bird also has that thing. It forgets how to fly. It forgets to see this beautiful world. We are taking away their freedom. So children, always remember, we should not keep a bird inside a cage, which is not at all good thing. But something is very interesting about bird. They are brightly colored. Usually Indian parrots are green, but there are many colored feather parrots are there. Red, grey, multicolored are there. They are mainly 3.5 to 40 inches tall. Their weight is nearly 64 grams to 1.6 kgs. World heaviest parrot is known as kakapo, 4 kg. Pygmy parrot species is the smallest in the world, only with a height 10 gram. Parrots are usually found in the warm climate. It lives in the holes of tall trees. They nearly lives for 80 years and it lays eggs twice a year. They have a very strong beak. They fly very fast, often fly in flocks, means groups. Parrots are believed to be one of the most intelligent of all bird species. It can learn to talk and mimic human voice. Children, this is page number 36. It is written, join the dots to complete the bird and then color it green. So you all know what is the bird I'm talking about. Yes, this is of course a parrot. So first thing what you have to do, you have to take a pencil and then you have to join this dot to complete the bird properly. See, even the tail part also you have to do. Then you have to color this bird green color. So you can either do this green here and a dark shade of green in the tail portion of this bird. So you choose two green colors to complete this parrot. Next, it is written and asked over here, should we keep birds in cages? Color the correct circle. So now children, as I have taught you that we should not birds in the cages. So you are going to take the red color and you are going to do this no with red color because we should not keep the birds in cages. Friend, we know about air transport. What are the air transport? Can you tell me? Aeroplane, helicopter, jet plane. There are many, right? Rocket. There is one more thing which is very interesting, very colorful, and can you guess about which air transport I am talking about? Yes, it is known as parachute. Parachute is a kind of a air transport. It is usually made with light and strong fabric, originally with silk, mostly nylon kind of cloth. They are mainly dome shaped, but nowadays we see rectangle parachutes as well. Today's modern parachutes are different types. We see different colorful parachutes as well. And in this parachute only can accommodate one person generally, 1 to 2%, not more than that. It can travel from one place to another, but these are primarily used for dropping different kinds of things, different kinds of materials to a place, and generally these droppings take place from an aeroplane. Even parachute can help you if there is any problem in the aeroplane. Suppose an aeroplane flying in the air and it gone damaged and there are life risk of the people. So if you are wearing a parachute and jumping from that aeroplane, your life can get safe. It can in somehow, because with the wind you can move from here to there and you can then safely land on the land. But you need to know how to move a parachute. And how a parachute is going to move, it depends on the wind. Yes, it depends on the winds. Nowadays, even skydivers who are flying with the parachute, and they are spot jumpers who are flying with wing. So nowadays paragliders are there. It is also kind of parachutes. Paragliding also is a nowadays it is a kind of game. Many people are using these paragliding techniques and they are enjoying this game. Page number 37. We had a talk on parachute. Color the balloon using following colors: red, yellow, blue, green, pink, brown and purple. So this is a picture of a parachute. Can you see this place where generally a person can stand and can control the parachute? Here there is a place where the fire is burnt and the gas of the fire blows this balloon and helps it to fly in the sky. So there are colors are red, yellow, blue, green, pink, brown and purple. So children, can you see? Mom has so many colors, and I think at home you also have this kind of color. So let us find out what is the first color. Yes, this is which color? This is red color. Next, it is written about yellow. So ma'am has this yellow also. Even ma'am has some more yellow. I have this yellow. So you can choose yellow, which one you want to do. Next color is blue. So ma'am has so many blue. This one is light blue. This one is dark blue. So whatever the color you feel like, you can choose. And ma'am has one more blue. So ma'am has 3 blues. So whatever the blue you feel like, you can do it. Next, it is written green color. So again a deep green. There is a light green. Then pink. Yes, this is a pink color. Beautiful shade of pink. Then there is a brown color. This is a dark brown. If you have a light brown, you can do it. And then the last color is purple. So these are the colors which you have to do it in this parachute. This is page number 38. Let us do this worksheet. But before doing it, it is written write 1 to 10 in the umbrella and fill with different colors. So let us first see how to go about this worksheet. Number 1 is written here and blue color is done. And here orange color is done and 10 is there. So first we have to write numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and then 10. After writing the numbers, fill with different colors. Suppose green, yellow, purple, pink, some other shades of green, pink, grey, brown, whatever color you feel like, you can do it. Now children, can you tell me when we are going to use this umbrella? We are going to use this umbrella during the rainy season or monsoon time and during the summer time as well. But first let us count how many colors we can do over here and what are how many lines are there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 sections divided into this umbrella. So this is page number 38. So children, this is a picture where I have shown you the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I know you all know how to write these numbers as you are now grown up. So now let us revise before ending this video the number names of from 1 to 10. See, ONE 1, TWO 2, THREE 3, FOUR 4, FIVE 5, SIX 6, SEVEN 7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9 and TEN 10. But you should remember that when you are writing, first letter will be capital.